In today's economic climate, the ability to thrive on a tight budget is more important than ever before. And that's exactly what we're here to discuss. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of frugal living and discover the true potential of thriving on a tight budget. Number 1. Defining frugal living. Frugal living, like the delicate dance of a ballerina, is a graceful balance between thrift and excess. It's the art of extracting the maximum value from every penny, without sacrificing the pleasures of life. It's not about living like a miser, hoarding every last dime, but rather, it's about being mindful of your resources and making smart choices. Imagine a life where you can say goodbye to financial stress. Hello to financial freedom. Frugal living is the key to unlocking this door. It's about living below your means and being content with what you have. It's about finding joy in the simple things and valuing experiences over possessions. But what exactly does frugal living entail? Well, it's the practice of cutting expenses and maximizing savings. It's about being mindful of your spending habits and making conscious decisions about where your money goes. It's about being frugal with your money and using it wisely. From using coupons to shopping for deals, to cooking at home instead of eating out, frugal living encompasses a wide range of practices. In the world of frugal living, every penny counts and every dollar saved is a step towards financial freedom. Are you ready to join the frugal living revolution and start extracting maximum value from every penny? Number 2. Budgeting. Budgeting, like a masterful symphony conductor, brings harmony to the chaotic symphony of finances. It's the art of composing a spending plan that aligns with your financial goals and values. Without a budget, your finances are like a ship without a rudder, aimlessly drifting in the sea of expenses. Envision a life where you're in control of your finances, where every dollar has a purpose and every penny is accounted for. Budgeting is the key to unlocking this reality. It's about mapping out a plan for your money and sticking to it. It's about setting financial goals and working towards them. But where do you begin with budgeting? Well, the first step is to track your spending. Take note of where your money goes and identify areas where you can cut expenses. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, you can set a budget that aligns with your financial goals and values. Creating a budget can be a daunting task, but it's worth it in the long run. It's about making conscious decisions about where your money goes and ensuring that every dollar is working towards your financial goals. Think of it as a financial GPS, guiding you towards financial freedom. Number 3. Shopping and meal planning. Shopping and meal planning, like a culinary symphony, is a harmonious blend of art and science. It's the delicate balance between indulging in the pleasures of life and being mindful of your resources. It's the symphony of frugal living in action. Picture a life where you can savor the flavors of your favorite meals without breaking the bank. Shopping and meal planning is the key to unlocking this reality. It's about being smart with your food choices and making the most of your resources. But where do you begin with shopping and meal planning? Well, the first step is to plan your meals in advance. By planning your meals, you can make a shopping list and stick to it, avoiding impulse buys and overspending. Also, it's important to shop for deals and use coupons. You can also buy in bulk and take advantage of sales. This will save you money in the long run. In the realm of frugal living, cooking at home and avoiding eating out is a must. Not only does it save money, but it also allows you to control the ingredients and ensure that you're eating healthy. By planning your meals and being smart with your food choices, you can indulge in the pleasures of life without breaking the bank. Number 4. Reducing expenses. Reducing expenses, like a sculptor chiseling away at a block of marble, is the process of shaping your financial life. It's the art of cutting away the excess and revealing the beauty of simplicity. It's the cornerstone of frugal living. Imagine a life where you have more money to save and invest, where you're not burdened by unnecessary expenses. Reducing expenses is the key to unlocking this reality. It's about being mindful of your spending habits and making conscious decisions about where your money goes. But where do you begin with reducing expenses? Well, the first step is to identify areas where you can cut costs. From transportation to housing, entertainment to subscriptions, there are many areas where expenses can be reduced. You can also save money by simplifying your life, getting rid of things you don't need, and living with less. Reducing expenses is not just about cutting costs. It's about finding joy in the simple things and valuing experiences over possessions. It's about shaping your financial life and revealing the beauty of simplicity. Number 5, making money. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Making money, like a magician conjuring up gold from thin air, is the art of turning your skills and talents into income. It's the process of turning potential into profit and creating financial abundance. It's a vital component of frugal living. Envision a life where your income exceeds your expenses, where you have more money to save and invest. Making money is the key to unlocking this reality. It's about finding ways to increase your income and make the most of your resources. But where do you begin with making money? Well, the first step is to identify your skills and talents. From freelancing to starting a side business, there are many ways to turn your skills into income. You can also rent out a spare room or take on odd jobs to make extra money. Making money is not just about earning a paycheck. It's about creating financial abundance and being in control of your finances. It's about turning potential into profit and conjuring up gold from thin air. Number 6, investing. Investing, like planting a seed and watching it grow, is the process of nurturing your wealth and watching it flourish. It's the art of turning small amounts of money into a bountiful harvest of financial security. It's a crucial aspect of frugal living. Imagine a life where your money works for you, where you're not tied to the 9-to-5 grind and can enjoy financial freedom. Investing is the key to unlocking this reality. It's about putting your money to work and reaping the rewards in the long run. But where do you begin with investing? Well, the first step is to educate yourself on the basics of investing. From there, you can start small and diversify your portfolio. Diversifying means spreading your investments across different types of assets such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This will reduce your risk and increase the likelihood of a good return. Investing is not just about making money. It's about creating financial security and having the freedom to enjoy life. It's about nurturing your wealth and watching it flourish. Number 7, mindset. It's the internal compass that guides your financial decisions and determines your destination. It's the key to unlocking the true potential of frugal living. Envision a life where you're in control of your finances, where every dollar has a purpose and every penny is accounted for. The right mindset is the key to unlocking this reality. It's about having a positive attitude towards money and making conscious decisions about where your money goes. But where do you begin with developing the right mindset? Well, the first step is to change the way you think about money. Instead of viewing it as a source of stress and anxiety, view it as a tool to achieve your goals and live the life you want. It's also important to adopt a frugal lifestyle, which will allow you to live below your means and be content with what you have. The right mindset is not just about changing the way you think about money, it's about changing the way you think about life. It's about finding joy in the simple things and valuing experiences over possessions. It's about having a positive attitude towards money and using it to achieve your goals. Number 8, community and support. It's the support system that encourages and inspires you on your journey. It's an essential aspect of frugal living. Imagine a life where you're surrounded by like-minded individuals, where you're not alone in your journey towards financial freedom. Community and support is the key to unlocking this reality. It's about finding a group of people who share your values and goals, and who can offer advice and encouragement. But where do you begin with finding community and support? Well, the first step is to look online. There are many forums and groups dedicated to frugal living. You can also look for local groups or clubs in your community. Surrounding yourself with people who share your values and goals will make it easier to stick to your budget and achieve your financial goals. Community and support is not just about finding people who share your values. It's about having a support system that encourages and inspires you. It's about having people to turn to for advice and encouragement on your journey towards financial freedom. As we come to the end of this journey, we've explored the many facets of frugal living and uncovered the secrets to thriving on a tight budget. From budgeting to meal planning, from reducing expenses to making money, we've examined the many tools and strategies available to those who wish to live a frugal lifestyle. But the journey doesn't end here. If you're ready to start improving your financial well-being, take action now. Check the first link in the description for our Frugal Living ebooks. You'll learn how to take control of your finances and start saving money without sacrificing your quality of life. From assessing your current financial situation and cutting costs to increasing your income and living frugally without sacrificing enjoyment, we cover it all. Order our ebooks via the first link in the video description and start your journey towards financial stability and security. It's never too late to start making smart financial decisions.